We should be. Good morning. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Just let me check. And you could hear some fun noises, by the way, today. Let's see. I see some problems. Are we live? Yeah, nice. Nice. Perfect. Good morning. Today is Monday. One of my favorite days. Probably the favorite one. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we should be live. Tell me if the audio is okay. If you hear too much noise. By the way, I don't have the chat in front of my screen because I have my DaVinci Resolve already on my screen, and so let's see. Let me check if okay. So in 1 minute we will go on this setup, and then I'll switch it again because I want to show you the process of creation of my first developer advocate role position video. Okay, it's okay. Okay, nice. So let's keep it a little bit I'll just give you an idea of what I'm gonna do today. I woke up like two hours ago. I didn't go to walking or running because last Monday I did my very first video of this series. So the title of this video could be misunderstood because in this video I'll show you my editing of my first video as a developer advocate. I don't know if I ever seen something like that, but probably because it's a bit hard because you need to stream your screen with DaVinci Resolve open while streaming. My PC, you could hear some fine noise today, to be honest. Let's just check one thing, if the audio of my PC is correct. The Express. It's a bit strange, okay. Let's try here. The run command is super powerful and we can use to run our commands. For example, we can install the latest version of npm inside the file system of the image. This is not really needed, it's just to make... Is the audio okay? The audio of the PC? Oh, is the audio of the PC? Okay. Nice. Okay, you should hear. Let's see here. Okay, nice. Okay. So I would like to do two things in this live stream. The first thing is I'd like to tell you how I've done this video. So all the phases from zero to the publish process. And Hakan, audio is okay. Hakan, your audio is not okay. Hey Krishna, Alessandro, Hakan, Giuseppe, Kartik. Sorry, but I have the chat on another screen on my side. Okay, I can do this maybe. Maybe it's better. Nice. Audio good now. Yeah, because I'm doing something a little bit strange. I'm showing my own DaVinci Resolve project, so this could be a little bit slow, but the idea here is not to show you a clean video on my screen of the editing, because sometimes when you edit you have a lot of overload on your machine. I'm here because I want to show you what I'm doing here, okay? So don't worry if when I press play you hear a little bit of noise. This is not the idea of this video, okay? Francesco Fahem, if I pronounced that well. Nice. So, by the way, in the description and on the pinned message, you will see the final result of this project. Okay. The hardest part are these kind of messages on the screen that now are not showing. Oh, here. Can you see, for example, here, for example, I'm showing some colors. Just 1 second. If you have something to ask, because I got so many often question, not about do you see something like that? This kind of these are like little animations of text. They just appear like scrolling, flipping. But they are super heavy for the Vinci Resolve, because they are just, I think, just like videos inside other videos. So can you see these red lines? This means that DaVinci Resolve is still processing them, so it could be a little bit slow. Instead, when you see them blue, it seems that they are fine. Okay, do you see that I've done here this? Hey Vinay, there. Hey, see you there. Nice. Is this setup okay, or would you like to see me as a big face? No. Let's do like that now. Okay, you could hear when I press play. You could hear that a bit of noise. Let's try. We will have a very practical approach. For example, in this video, we will take an application. Okay, and by the way, this is also because I'm also streaming while I'm editing. Usually, I don't have these kind of problems. Okay, so. Let me show you let me explain you the whole process from zero. So to record this video, I did some stuff. The first thing that I did is that I made a demo video, just the video, on my screen. So I opened my terminal, then I opened Visual Studio Code. Don't make me open them, and basically I've done what you can see here. So in basically the video of this video, the video part, what you can see is basically me recording a screen. Super easy. Then I've cut out the part which I really didn't need. For example, me opening another window, then stopping for 2 minutes. So basically I've cut out the video part which were not needed. Hey gosh. 2 versions of Francesco at the same time. I would love that. Do you really want to see 2 versions of me? These are 2 versions of me. I use this format to make my interviews. Let's go back to that. Okay. Okay, so after cut some parts that I really didn't need for the video, I started to make a voiceover on the video. So it's basically me talking very close to the microphone like this, and in this case the audio quality really improves a lot. And basically me watching the video and recording the audio. Which are the benefits? There are many benefits into this. The first thing is that if you make some mistakes, you have just a mistake on your audio, so I don't have to record the demo again, which sometimes could be super hard, especially if you start making Docker. You create different containers with different IDs. I should record everything from scratch from the beginning. I've done this on my very first videos on September. Instead, if I make a mistake when I record, I just delete the audio and I record that again. So it's super easy. So after recording the audio part, I put the audio part in this DaVinci Resolve. Can you see? It should be this part. So it's basically this part here, this part at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. But of course the job is not done yet, because as you can see here, there are a lot of cuts, audio, some corrections. There is some job. After that, I also need to record what I call an intro here and an outro here. Just me like saying thank you for watching, goodbye. Okay. So this is just the recording and the editing part. Let me check sometimes, because I'm explaining to friends on YouTube. Hey Robert. This is the program is DaVinci Resolve. Kush. Two versions look good. I would love to have a clone. Thank you for coming, by the way. This is super funny. Okay, so back to our project. So I was explaining there are so I've done a record the intro and the outro, but the job is not done yet because as you can see here, here, just 1 second. Can you see here there are some these small things? Just let me open a little bit more. Maybe that is okay. For example, here I've added an image of an hello world. What is this? Here there are this kind of this is kind of like chapters. I like this style. And for example, also here. Yeah, for example, I had some image of Node.js and Docker, which are the prerequisites of this video. For example, here, something super simple. It's not super sophisticated, just me writing what we are doing in this video. So for example, if you want to make a tutorial, because I've seen so few videos of people explaining how to make a tutorial. So I just had to figure it out just by myself. So I want to explain you what I'm doing. For example, here I've put a logo of the company. Super simple, but they can really make the difference. All this processing can really make the difference after a while. Just here. And also, for example, if you have time, I would love your feedback of this video, because I've never done a video like this. So this is the very first time that I have, I think, the whole process clear in my mind, or at least I think that that's clear. Video quality is excellent. Thank you, Robert. Coming from you, it really means a lot. I put a lot of effort into this, way more than you can see, but you can understand me, I think. Giuseppe, how long it takes to complete the third video? So it's basically 1 week of work, because it's not only the video. I also created an article on this video, a very long article, detailed article on Hashnode. So the first part has been doing the article, and then based on that article, I create the video. So basically, article, recording of all these parts of these videos, editing, some stuff. I'm kind of happy with the result. Probably I would love to have had something more funny at the beginning. The intro, I just because I was getting late, so I just record. I think this has been recorded on the first try. Yeah, also almost the same colors, not the same t-shirts. Thank you, Kush. Thank you. I don't know. I think that you can always improve the quality of your videos. It's never enough. By the way, I've also added some sounds. Do you want to see something interesting? The name of the song, which by the way is a YouTube soundtrack, is Cloud Chaser, which really makes me laugh, because cloud, cloud, AWS, cloud development, and the name of the song is Cloud Chaser. I love this. Nice. So for some other minutes, I don't want to make this video super long. I'm here really for you if you want to ask me even in details. Now I have DaVinci Resolve open, so if you want me to show, for example, how have you done this, how do you cut, I would love to actually editing during a live stream, but although I don't know if that's possible, to be honest, because when I stream, my computer starts to suffer a bit, even if it has a Ryzen 9 processor. Do you see that there are a lot of cuts? Why okay. what could be why I cut so much the video? Do you see? There are not. I think there are way more complicated videos. This is the output of this video is just 14 minutes, so not that long. For me it's right. Because the idea of this video for me is to create something watchable. I didn't want to make like a 1 hour video. I think that creating a 14 minutes video, it's harder rather than make like 1 hour of me like opening windows, close, opening it up again, making mistakes. So basically I'm cutting the length of the video to make this more comfortable for the watcher. So this is the idea. By the way, I'm working on a new video. I've not started to record yet, but I think I'll start today. The idea would be to publish this video on Thursday, but I can't promise this to them and also to you, but I'll try. Nice. Raza. Let me check. So basically, yeah, the video. Francesco, Alessandro, have a nice week. Robert, absolutely yes. Giuseppe, why Da Vinci Resolve? Why not Final Cut or Adobe? Okay, Final Cut Pro, I think it's just a Mac one, and I am on a Windows machine. So I have a MacBook Pro laptop, but you don't want me to to edit on that one. I think the first thing has been the money, because DaVinci Resolve is free, and Adobe Premiere, can't remember the name, it's paid. Of course, if you're getting paid to create your videos, you can even use something more advanced, something paid. But for example, I've seen a lot of people suggesting DaVinci Resolve even if they know Adobe Premiere. So for now, I'm happy with this. Maybe in the future I could give it a try. I want to give it a try to Adobe at least once. No. Kush. At 11. Oh wow, Robert, you are helping me so much. Just let's see. I don't know. Transition. Because I have also the transition. Thank you, Robert, for pointing this out, because I also forgot this. You mean here? Thank you, Robert. You use a cross transition which doesn't really work that great when just talking. What's a J-cut? What is a J-cut, Robert? I'm not an expert. Oh, I love this. Robert. I think I'll do this. Add some simple sound effects to enhance the text. Right. Do you know why I have not added them? Because first of all, I was running out of time, and I didn't find like a simple ding sound. I don't know. Maybe I could have like recorded that. Giuseppe, what I'm using to record my screen? For example, here there is something that I would like to point out. To record this video, I've used Streamlabs, which is not OBS. It's like I think it's something on the top of OBS. And I realized that after recording the video, I had some glitches, especially when I scroll fast or if I switch scene. So I think that for the next one, I'll use just OBS, because I think it's way better to just record the screen. You cut the video as normal, but you take the audio from the second clip, starts a bit earlier. I really don't know this technique. Thank you, Robert. I think that I'll check that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Robert. How are you, my friend? Let's try here. My PC is really suffering today. it would be really great if my DaVinci Resolve would crash during a live stream. So we have the proof. We would have the proof in that case. Yeah, Robert, I'm trying this. I'm trying to collaborate with someone more expert than me in sound. So I need them. Where do you find those audio effects? SoundCloud for sound clips. First of all, I'm not expert on this. I didn't even know what SoundCloud is. I think I have to check this after the live stream, or we can check it now. We are in live. Just 1 second. This is the other video. SoundCloud. What is this? My PC is really suffering. I can't even search. My PC is dying. So I'll check this after the stream. Doing great. Took the first dose of. I did my first one some weeks ago. I have the second dose in 2 weeks. Thank you, Robert. I've seen. I follow you. I've seen that you have not published a video weekly now. I update you. Sometimes I check your YouTube community. I use Artlist, but I'm not sure if I like the sound effect there yet. I Google Wave. Almost all the sites have a price. Yeah, Kush, because for example, you think that everything is free, but usually it's free for personal use. If you start getting sounds in something that when you at the end of the day you get some money, of course you get like 1 cent every, I don't know, like 1,000 views, but to use professionally some clips, it's a total different story. Yeah. Yeah, I had these copyright issues also when I created my first application. Everything seems way more complicated when you start to do something professionally. Oh, nice. Just let me check here. Okay. I stay other 5 minutes, and then if you have other questions, if you want to see the project again, you can just tell me. Otherwise, you will see my very big face. Let's do something nice. Okay, so now it's easier for me to read the chat. Nice. By the way, thank you for coming. You will release a new video this week. About what? At India, many YouTubers. I've not made a poll, yes. Will you work hard this week? Wait, I'm creating a poll. What is work? Okay, thank you so much, Kush. But they needs to be. They need to be. So we have a spoiler. Great. I like these live streams because you can make some spoilers. By the way, you can answer this poll. Okay. Who said what is work? I can even stream. I can stream the result. No. Okay. Nice. What is work indeed? Yeah. Well, I'm streaming my own live stream. This is Inception because I want to show you the results of the poll live. I think this is the only way. Okay, there are so many trolls in these live streams. Hey Petros. I need to make just a second. Let's go back. I need to make a Twitter Space tomorrow. I don't know exactly the title. Could be like having a small accounts in social media. I think I had a small accounts like 1 year ago or so, but I'd like really to let them notice because I think that all of us, we have something to say. You can find a lot of free sounds here, Hakan, but we have not showed the link because I don't think that you can. Menakshi. I have pronounced that well. Menakshi. Here where? You can share links in my chat. I think I'll check this later. Thank you, by the way, for coming. You can leave a like. You can leave a comment also on the live stream. Do you know? That would be great. Yeah. If you want, if you have time, if you have 5 seconds, I would love you to check this video and tell me if you have see something that could be improved, like Robert did. This has been great. I'll give you a shout out on Twitter, Robert, soon. So the more you help me, the more I'll also help you on Twitter and other social media. Thank you. So do you think this idea is nice to show me my own projects? What would you like to see in this kind of live streams? Because for now, I'm thinking that I'm doing this weekly, not daily, because I think that daily is too much boring because I'm boring. So once per week, I think it's enough. Twitter Space about collaboration. Oh, I'm sorry. Why don't you come on the live stream and to just pronounce your name correctly? Or you can make a video and post this on Twitter and tell your name. That will be great. My name is Francesco, by the way, with C. It's pronounced Ci in Italian, but I spell like C in English. Strange. Okay. Nice, but I don't. By the way, I can't see the link. Twitter Space about collaboration. That would be great. So, okay, so we have a lot of trolls in this live stream. Get out of my live stream. 38%. Are you okay? Thank you, Kush. I love seeing your progress in making videos. So it's my pleasure. Thank you, Robert. So basically, we have 37% of trolls in this live stream. That's a great result for this poll. Mohib, Mohammed, great. How has been how it started the start of your week? Too many trolls. Live stream. Namaste, Ayush. Apgetseo, which is how are you? Nice. So, if you have something to ask, this is the best place, because I get so many people asking, how do you edit your videos? Which software do you use? Which camera do you use? Which mic do you use? How do you create this kind of videos? So I created this video. So from now, when I get that question, I think I'll send this live stream. I don't know if I could create a polished video on this, but I like to make this super interactive. Nice. Great. Thank you everybody for coming. Let me show again, because probably maybe there are still some new people. Let me just show the process again. Discord duo. Nice. Just 1 second, please. Be patient. Okay. Are you saying something? No. Perfect. Okay. So this video is 14 minutes long. It's not. I don't think it is the more complicated video. By the way, I will have other projects. For example, if you see some of my videos on my YouTube channel, not the live streams, but some of my videos, and you would like to see that on a live stream, for example, Francesco, how have you done this? I think that I have still all the projects in the DaVinci Resolve. By the way, I think I got already a couple of things. Nice, nice, nice. Image build. Return the Docker ignore. So now we're ready to build our image. Docker build. So basically this is me recording the audio while watching the project. Nice, 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 nice. So it seems that this idea, you liked this idea. Hey, Din Panjal. Din Panjali. Dan Panjali. I spelled this as if it were Italian. Would you like to see more? Just let me show you this, because probably some of you are not very comfortable with DaVinci Resolve. So it's a little bit intimidating, but let me show you. Probably one day I could make a tutorial about DaVinci Resolve, at least for what I know. So just let go at the beginning, something like that. It's a bit super slow because I'm also streaming in the meanwhile. So can you see here at the bottom left, we have some things to change. These the colors, the contrast. For example, I added a little bit blue light. I've lowered a little bit the HV. Just let me show you what's going on here. If I do something like that, can you see? I don't know if you can see this. It lowers the lighting. Just let me back. Here you can see the level of colors. You can add the contrast. Can you see how it changes? If, for example, I don't know if you would like me. I have this idea we could like create like editing a video together, but this could be like a super small video, like not a developer advocate video, like a 1 minute video that we could post on Twitter, and I can show you how I do that. This could be an idea. By the way, at the end of this process, do you see that here there are all the clips? In this case, they are 80 clips for 14 minutes video. And at the end, there is this kind of rocket icon. Here you can decide how would you like to have as output on the video. Thank you for the donation. Kartik, thank you so much. You already made my week, and it's just Monday, 9:30 a.m. That's great. That's great. Super great. Okay. Okay, so I don't know because I'm not an expert of video editing. Okay, I like to watch some videos. I know a couple of things, but I'm more like on the developer world. Of course, I'm coming from the bottom, but I really like editing videos. There is one good thing is that when I edit video, I don't stay on social media. So if you don't see me on social media, probably I'm editing or sleeping. But real developer never sleep. Looking forward to it. Which idea? Which idea? Ah, Kartik, yeah, but that could be a really small video. And by the way, I have some issues when I stream, like I edit. Just let me show you the. No, it's not okay. No, it's just 5,000 meg. Sometimes it's 20. Okay. So here it is. Basically, here you can create an output for the video, and then you can use YouTube or custom. Can you see this on the left? Yeah. What is this tape? This stuff? I don't know. I have a question. When I record the video, just let me put it here. Oh, I can do this. Why have not? I've not thought about this before. I have a question. When I record a video, I get lost few more times. Like I forgot my words. Maybe I haven't done many of this to build up habit. Thank you, Kush. Yeah, I've edited. I'm close to 200 videos on my YouTube channel. How do you add text animation? This is yeah, Hakan. This is exactly why I'm here today. Thank you. This is a great question. Just 1 second. There are some ways to record, to save this. First of all, you can read and then tell them, and then you can just cut. Another thing that you could do is to use a teleprompter. I have one, probably I show one in one of my other videos. A developer doesn't sleep, but an advocate sleep, so you can do it. So, but if you are a developer advocate, let's add. Let's make me a poll. How many? Okay. Just 1 second. How many hours does a developer sleep? 12? 8? When the code is working, so it depends. No. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Give me 1 second. What is sleep? Let's see how many trolls do we have. Okay. I like these live streams on Monday. So, how do I add the text animation? This is a great question. Just let me get back at this. Thank you, Akan. Okay, so this is something a little bit more advanced. And to be honest, this is one of the first times that I've done this. So, text animations. I have something to say. Just 1 second. Okay, something like this text animation. So I'm not doing the animation myself. I just have this magic stuff here on the left. I use, I think, I can't remember which one was. I think if I select this here, you can see the effects. I can't remember exactly which one is, but basically here on the left you can create some small animations and you can just put the text. Super easy, super easy. The only thing is that when I start adding this kind of animated text, it starts to really slow down a lot because I think it's something like re-rendered, so it's super heavy for the machine. But you can see here some of them. Let's see how many trolls do we have. Sleep for like 4 hours. Not more than 4 hours a day. Well, there is a big delay in video. You can still... but I think this is something done on purpose. So you can decide, for example, how much delay would you like to add in a video. This is basically to have a better experience to watch it. So for now, this is set to like normal. I could do this more live event, but that could be, yeah, probably harder to watch. You could have some problems. So I think this is, I just use the normal version. So this is for on purpose. I often make small YouTube video and it needs a transition even for a small video. I sleep 6, 8, just let me put here. I have heavy exercise daily. Great. Yeah, I know Kush, YouTube box. Have you used FFmpeg for editing? No. I think I've used that for something, but I can't remember why I've used that. I think maybe that was like for streaming or something like that. I can't remember. Wow, already almost 1 hour. That's great. That's a great live stream. I like this. Would you like to? Okay, just so let's end this this troll poll. What? 30% of trolls? What's going on? Okay. It should show. Okay. So 30% of trolls? Are you joking? RAM 0%, but probably because they are sleeping now. So do you want me to live stream next Monday same time. No, what I'm doing, that was wrong. Yes, I will watch it. No, yes, by the way, I will not watch. By the way, I don't like you. What is Monday? Nice. Okay, so last poll. I love doing polls in live streams. The question was too serious. With Da Vinci, okay, just let me put this here so you can see Da Vinci Resolve instead of this kind of crazy live stream. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just give me 1 moment. I have some issues. What's going on here? Okay, perfect. Okay, so last poll for today. Thank you so much for coming, by the way. This is super funny. Yes, I'll watch it. Okay. So I'm. Oh no. Oh, thank you so much. No trolls. Still no trolls. That's great. Okay. What is? Oh, who is this troll? There are some trolls on my live streams. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for your questions. Good question. What is life? We need a very long live stream for this. Thank you, Amitav. Nice. Great. Okay, so 1 more minute. I said I would have stayed like 5 more minutes, but it became almost 1 hour. That's great. B. Yeah, we need like 12 hours to talk about life, Robert. Who it could be? Who? What is that? Nice. Thank you so much. Just let's end this poll. Just 17% of trolls. You disappointed me just a little bit. Okay. Closing in 1 minute. 2 minutes. Let's say 2 minutes. And in 2 minutes, say bye. That's strange, Bello. You could not see the poll. 0% of people don't like me. Of course, if you're not on my live stream. Nice. Bye, Marco. Have a nice week. Come on. Don't be lazy. Was fun. Thank you, Robert, for your precious tips. I love that, but I'll use them. I'll give you credit. Awesome week, everyone. Bye. Pierre Milange. I don't know what Pierre Milange means. Okay. I'll check that. Nice. Bye. We are almost closing. Come on, say bye. It was a fun live stream. Thanks, Francesco. Thank you, Kartik. Have a nice week. Giuseppe. Bye, Francesco. Thanks a lot. Bye, Giuseppe. Ciao. Zeshan Hali. I can see the poll. She's speaking Hindi with you. Yeah. I would love to know more Hindi words. Okay. Just 1 second. Give me really. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. This has been really interesting. I wish you really best luck for this week. Thank you for your time, for your tips, for your questions. See you next Monday. I hope 9 a.m. CT. So let's do